Hello everyone, hope that you all are in a good health. So let's get going. Today I'm going to tell you a very important English phrase, and that is to push one's luck. It means trying so hard to get a particular result and risk of losing that you have already achieved. Now, in a sentence, I asked him to help me on this Saturday, but I'd be pushing my luck if I told him to stay the whole weekend. Or in another sentence you can say to your friend, don't push your luck. It means you are trying to forbid your friend from doing something. It because you think in order to achieve that, or when he is trying to, giving his effort to in achieving that, he might lose something. And that's all in this video, and pardon my any mistakes, and thank you.